Completing tax forms can be stressful and time-consuming. With pdfFiller, taxpayers and accountants can fill out their tax documents online and submit them to the IRS in one click. Let's see how it's done. To find the tax form you need, simply hover over the Add New button on the pdfFiller dashboard and click Forms and Applications. In the pop-up window, enter the name of a form and click Search. Select the most recent revision of your tax form and start filling it out right away. Use the pdfFiller online editor to complete the required fields. If your form requires signing, create your personal electronic signature in a few clicks. You can either type your name, draw your signature with a mouse or trackpad, upload it as an image, or capture your handwritten signature with your web or phone camera. Once the form has been filled out and checked off, click the Done button. To submit your form to the IRS, click the Send to IRS button in the right-hand sidebar. In the new window, fill out your contact and business information. Finally, check the box below and click Submit to IRS. You'll receive an email notification once your form is submitted and approved. Note that you can only directly e-file forms W-2, 1099 MISC, 1099 NEC, and 941. And remember, pdfFiller is ready and waiting anytime you need to fill out a tax form on any desktop or mobile device and send it out by email, text message, fax, or USPS mail.